Hello everyone, this is Anushka welcoming you to Central Academy School new studio.
A very warm welcome to all. I am Dev Krishna Sharma, and today we take you through a beautiful journey filled with learning, growth, achievements, and unforgettable memories.
The academic session 2025-26 began with great excitement as students stepped into the school on the very first day. Their smiling faces, curiosity, and enthusiasm created a joyful and vibrant atmosphere.
With new hopes in their hearts and dreams in their eyes, students began a journey that gradually unfolded into a year full of meaningful experiences and remarkable achievements.
The journey began with a sense of responsibility as students participated in Earth Day plantation, learning the importance of protecting our environment.
Continuing the focus on well-being, students celebrated International Yoga Day, embracing fitness, mindfulness, and a healthy lifestyle.
As the session progressed, creativity blossomed through engaging art and craft activities, while Manage Yourself session helped students develop discipline and self-management skills.
At the same time, confidence and communication improved through myself elocution and English writing activities, where students express their thoughts with clarity and confidence.
To keep students informed and aware, newspaper reading activities were conducted regularly.
And learning was made more enjoyable with creative activities like the paper tearing activity, encouraging imagination and hands-on learning.
As students continued to grow, leadership qualities were nurtured through the Student Council formation, providing them with opportunities to take responsibility and lead with confidence.
Alongside this, parents' orientation programs were conducted from time to time, ensuring a strong connection between school and parents for the overall development of students.
The festive journey began with the Rakhi making activity where students expressed creativity and joy.
This was followed by the patriotic celebration of Independence Day 15th August, filling the campus with pride and respect for the nation.
Soon after, the festival of Janmashtami was celebrated with great enthusiasm, where students beautifully portrayed the life of Lord Krishna through performances and decorations.
The entire campus was filled with devotion, happiness, and cultural vibrance, making it a truly memorable celebration.
The spirit of gratitude was reflected during Teachers' Day, where students expressed their love and respect toward their mentors.
Creative expression continued with activities like flute making, Ganesha idol making, and diya decoration, adding color and joy to the school environment.
Dussehra was celebrated with great enthusiasm, where students presented scenes from Ramayana reflecting our cultural values.
From Lord Ram's birth to his exile and return to Ayodhya, key moments were depicted, highlighting the victory of good over evil.
As the year progressed, students actively participated in various inter-school competitions like Udyamita, showcasing their talents and skills.
They also represented the school at the IPN Yuva Conclave, gaining valuable exposure and confidence.
The Science Model Exhibition competition encouraged students to think innovatively and present their scientific ideas.
In a proud achievement, 2 students from our school were selected at the district level competition, bringing recognition and honor to the institution.
The school also focused on the overall well-being of students by organizing various awareness sessions.
A dental and eye checkup camp was conducted, ensuring proper health, guidance, and care for students.
Additionally, sessions like cancer awareness and CPR training help students become more aware, responsible, and prepared for real-life situations.
Sports played an important role throughout the year, with students actively participating in Khelo India, promoting teamwork, discipline, and fitness.
One of the most awaited event of the year was the annual function, where students showcased their incredible talent through vibrant performances.
Following this, students explored beyond classrooms through educational tours to the zoo and geoscience museum, making learning more practical and engaging.
They also participated in the mock parliament activity gaining real life experience of leadership and understanding democratic values.
Fun-filled celebration like animal party and Christmas celebration filled the campus with joy, excitement, and happiness.
As the session moved toward its final phase, emotional moments like the farewell ceremony created memories to cherish. The NCC unit in the school has been progressing successfully, starting with a well organized selection process where students were chosen based on discipline and dedication. This was followed by the proud celebration of Republic Day, 26 January, reflecting unity and patriotism.
Achievements was recognized during the prize distribution ceremony, appreciating the hard work and excellence of students.
The council closing ceremony marked the successful completion of leadership rules.
The release of the school magazine Sanchita showcased creativity, talent, and achievements.
Finally, the session concluded with the result declaration and PTM marking the successful completion of the academic year.
And with this, the beautiful journey of session 2025-26 comes to an end, a journey filled with learning, achievements, challenges, and countless cherished memories.
Each moment we witnessed, every activity we celebrated, and every milestone we achieved has played an important role in shaping our students into confident, responsible, and capable individuals.
But as we all know, every ending is not just a conclusion. It is the beginning of the something new, something even more promising.
And today marks that very beginning, a fresh start, a new chapter, and a new journey waiting to unfold.
Today is 1st April, the first day of the new academic session. Once again, the school campus is filled with excitement, positivity, and the cheerful energy of students stepping in with new hopes and dreams.
With fresh aspirations in their heart and determination in their minds, students are ready to explore new opportunities, learn new lessons, and achieve greater heights.
This new session brings with it endless possibilities, new challenges, and beautiful experiences that will shape the future of every learner.
And with the beautiful memories of the past guiding us and the bright hopes of the future inspiring us, we step forward into wonderful journey of growth and success.
Here's to new beginnings, new achievements, and another incredible year ahead. With this, we come to the end of today's special presentation. This is Dev Krishna Sharma signing off for now.
And this is Anushka wishing you a year full of success, happiness, and new achievements ahead.
Stay connected with Central Academy School News Studio for such inspiring updates.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Keep watching, keep learning.
And keep shining always.